Hello and welcome back to my channel and a new series of quick guides. In this first video we will look at how to turn a photograph into a tilt-shift effect photo using Photoshop. Firstly, open Photoshop and open the image you want to create the tilt-shift effect with. The next step is to convert the photo into a smart object. Click the Layer menu, select Smart Objects and then click Convert to Smart Object. The next step is to add the tilt-shift effect. Select the Filter menu, select Blur Gallery and then simply click Tilt Shift. And that is it. Using Photoshop you have created a simple tilt shift image. If you want to improve the image further, you can use the Blur Tools options on the right hand side to change the amount of distortion available in the image. Thank you for watching and I hope you found this quick guide useful. Please consider liking and subscribing to my channel for more quick guides and other videos to come in the near future.